kunjamba munanena kuti ino a president musadandaula za campaign mukhoza kupita kumangojo makaja nsomba kumeneko tithamanga ife matanthauza chani anthu ena sana kumvetsa
choyamba APM simalonda tugulitse fa malonda tamalana kwa baba.
Say that again.
APM
yes
simalonda tugulitse koma malonda kuti
amalawa nakula
anakula.
Okay.
Yes, APM is the people's property already. You see, the property kale ndiso kama in the supermarket ikale koma sobano wako the running mate ndi is tama kungo wakumbutsa msaiwale mulinka tundwana page house.
Okay.
Msaiwale katunda page house. Msaiwale mulinka tunda page house zina zisienka. That's what is meaning now. Just to remind Malawians. That's all. Because now Malawians walk upanga compare sikale it was 5 years ago. Looking at the prices zakatu. Although mabelama factors yena.
Yeah.
Koma this is worse. It means pena park this is going to be.
Okay, so what of the 10 people in the delegation, there's 3 of them apart from you are members of your family, and that's acceptable, is it? And I say this for somebody who a year ago accused the government, got into power on promising to clear the rubble of.
I can tell you, each one of those have specific functions, and the specific functions are such that for me to be able to attend a meeting like this, I need their services.
What compelled you kuti mupite ku DPP kuli zipani zambiri mukanakhoza kuyenda na Joyce Banda mukanakhoza kuyenda ndi zipani zina? What compelled you kuti mukhale ndi a DPP?
Choyamba is consistency in our discussions.
Okay.
And also the openness. Chinandipangisa kuona kutanza tuanzi there were some mistakes made in Kalindo, which I don't think as a chita so Choya. They are very sincere. Even in Martin Kamanko and the APM. APM was a very good friend of my father.
Yeah,
yes. And at one point, when he was Minister of Justice, I went to see him. We discussed a lot of things. And he welcomed me as a son. And be open with me. My son, in a cinema for him, I'm at Faja ABCD, and I have nothing to get. So in another one, he was very sincere. If you just something this, was said and doing to a phone of Domino with your say. That's why Ines now here. If you know so much better, Ines is better. I don't want any position. I'm going to take down whatever that was one of the reasons. Ntabanga brief the national executive yours. Now also know what I think it's better to end the nominee.
Unama nde kwa kula. Unami simande kwa kula. Kipanga kuti kutabale. Ngati sokule peleka izizi. Izi mungapange. Ai.
So under DPP AFORD government, and what is the katatu?
Kudia katatu kanai kamozi is a choice of somebody.
Okay.
So much don't know this is Gadian Kokul. We have to provide food security at the house.
So many naona kuti muje
his choice yao. That is planning young nyumba.
Okay.
Bomba sipanga plan muje katatu haya.
So that was wrong.
That was wrong. You know what?
Yes,
yes, nego. Collective responsibility.
Okay.
Yes. Even in cabinet we differ. We now go to school fees Chancellor College. I mean to universities in Amanotia. Command the end because the majority attend to quiz. You will move to commanding the Nakanas. Unasuka video pangana umenakana here.
Okay.
Mangota. Cabinet pangana mo. Komasika vuta ndi maitala. Tina nena. This is a subsidy. Reducing the price of fertilizer.
Yes, sir.
Others are doubting if fertilizer can be sold below 5,000 kwacha price.
You tell the doubting Thomases.
Yeah.
No, sometimes we use that phrase.
Speaking like a pop star.
You tell everyone that doubts that they should no longer doubt. We know who imports fertilizers. We know where they get these fertilizers. We know how much they pay for these fertilizers. They are the ones who have actually assured us that this is a doable thing.
Below 5,000 price.
I just said so.
It's the same with fertilizer. You can't put a price on fertilizer. Not putting the factory on fertilizer. You have to find a mechanism. How do we do it? Our people should access fertilizer, one, at a reasonable price. Number two, every farmer can access fertilizer. That's what you do. Also, it is a good sign.
You mean just a good joke? You're just a good fertilizer soon and then.
Soon.
Como kunena kwa mariwa?
4,000 in card.
Kunena kwa bwino ukoti yani.
Kwa bwino. We'll make sure that everybody will access fertilizer at a reasonable price. This only when you see that fertilizer comes.
Yeah.
What is reasonable? What is not reasonable? That's the best way. Because fertilizer international market, I can go quite a zinc. But even factory, they have no choice. They have to increase the price. I can go quite a phosphate. The same. The component comes the fertilizer can go quite. That's you're done. Go quite a international market. Unless you subsidize, that's what happens. This country, one of the problems, because of lack of forex, some pays financial instruments, what they can guarantee payments, because now forex cover is weeks, which is almost a serious problem in any country.
Okay.
Yeah. And in 4 years, he could have called for an economic conference.
What is the chachita
for one day? He could have called for experts from different countries to discuss about our crisis. It's not okay. Go Calagas. It's normal. Actually, you can't accuse for 2-3 years. This is a cancer which has to be eliminated once and for all. This is an essential commodity.
Yeah. Boma la TPP tidaona so tu makiu.
It's not cheap.
Yeah, pita la ya.
Yeah, pita sinayo I can't remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
So land wo bela lo dita count la take. Is this a Are you sure?
Yes. Okay.
Muzata.
Because I'm kind of forex.
Kodi makiu ni kind of forex.
They can't pay. They can't pay.
Abuziwa?
They can't pay. Fertilizer, they can't pay. Right now, the August, we're not serious about fertilizer. Because as I'm talking to you now, the period you order fertilizer, it may June, July. Because it takes almost 45 days. Apangis menezo, mashipa ya ponya moka afike pa Beira or Dar es Salaam, azibwela ko. So mkapanga plan bino. By October, November, latest December, fertilizer has to be in the country. And you start distribution of rural areas. Then you are home and dry. And if you have a very tough time, you know one tatenga bomba in September. Likely planning will start in October. We're already late. So we have to find a mechanism in terms of how to bring fertilizer to our own people. Number two, we're taking fertilizer to people who are hungry. There's no food. And some will take that fertilizer and sell. So we have to make sure we do both. To make sure that people are in Chimanga at the same time are in fertilizer. So that they should not take fertilizer to Kukulisa so that they're position. So we have a very tough time. That's why it should not be government of jokers. We need to assemble a very, very tough, powerful government. Composed of different expertise. The first 10, 15, 20, 30 days, people are working.
And you want to assure them that under DPP AFORD government, their lives will be better.
That's how,
kuposa mmene alili pano.
that's why I want to go into government. That's our job, to make people's lives better.
Chavuta ndi chani mukanena kuti sizikuyenda bwino mboma. What has gone wrong with this government?
Brian wasn't Jewish mouth.
Yeah.
People rush to be in government. Osazoti akalamboma panga choyamo. Chachiwiri, sides were position ya dziko lawo, whether at the global international politics or economics or trade or anything. China, nchonena kuti most people believe kuti tiwe mboma tikapange ndalo. Tikadi. Yamataka lo mboma muchi. Time neyo amazoona kuti it's a totally different ballgame. Awukuzani kuti chakuti palibe. Now these are the people without vision, without objective, angolowa for themselves. Nde menazika kugirapa menazika gore chichosama kugiza chimatauko. Then some people now they get involved in corruption with them. Bas bomala sokomese kera whatever manifesto akha now, bas they are off the rail. You know, ukamala wamene mujozitso kuti ndikatenga gale moto mene napanga noko.
And you know your mgwirizano, you know how to fix the problem.
Oh, yeah.
Because I wanted to understand mene muganizira kuti kodi vote dziko la thuli chavuta ndi chani. So in clear terms, chavuta ndi chani?
Forex.
Okay.
Is forex.
Ne boma la DPP ndi AFORD. Nkhani ya forex tikhoza kuyenda nayo kwambiri.
First within
chifantha amataka ngoona kadi ya ku Malawi.
Yes.
Ali mavuto achabwera.
Kwambiri. First you have to make sure there is an injection of almost $1 billion in the system. It's already arranged. Already arranged. There is an injection of $1 billion into the system. The moment that money comes into the system, Wachayoka will start stabilizing. Mene Wacha's bank stabilize immediately my prices as into Kuchita. Straight. There should be enough food in the country. But muri chakude chambiri mkawo na inflation yoka. Kuchita. And people will not be talking about nkani ya sakudi in the country. Zintu zoka zimamba kuyenda. There are some things doctor akabesa patient with meningitis. Choyamba mtenga mazi. Andima wawa. And if we know the first 6 months it will be very painful in this country because kwacha hii ikagwaso immediately unless we push money into the system into the market. Kwacha hii ukagwa. And this is Sakufunikanso muntu wote anaphunzira economics here. This is common sense. This is not rocket science, it's common sense. Awa pakali panale by a lot of promissory notes. Zins pange machuwa makuti in billions and billions of dollars, which this coming government has to pay. You see? Apereka ma guarantee wosiyana. Ona kuti this government ikadzidzimuka kuti lindzimuka kuti dzambiri mbiri. You see? So zimene zifunika tizidziwa and tazidziwa and we are ready for it. And we take responsibility as a government.
Yeah, when our economy needs $1 billion injection.
First injection. If it can be more, the better.
Yeah, and then fusa kuti inu ndrama zimenezo mukuzidzo kuzipeza
kwambiri. It is best.
Osati kungolankhula tu.
Yeah, it is best.
Kuti
it is best. We have already lined up people.
Oh?
Yes, serious investment into the country. Kwambiri.
So dziko la thuli likhoza kukhala soma.
We have got minerals. We have a very good soil for agriculture. Then first year, second year, production of food, of crops, groundnuts alone. If we tell farmers today, I mean, I make groundnuts to kumpasa seed, 3, 4, 5 million. We need the production of groundnuts, and the marine groundnuts is one of the best. It will bring a lot of dollars into the country.
Panopa says kuteka banje, and is that teka banje?
A lack of planning and focus.
Is that teka banje in how we are?
Because we have already planned, and we are planners. And if we were not jokers, it's Germany now. Even in this government, we don't want jokers to come in. No. I know a Professor Peter Munthalika who assembled very able man to fix this economy.